Hello friends, welcome to Archit Traders and friends. Today we are going to see Nifty chart analysis. So first of all, I will give you a brief analysis about today's friends. Present you are observing the candlestick pattern of 5 minutes and it's a one-day chart pattern. And if you go through here, it's one-day chart pattern. It's moving to 1 minute. So I make sure that 5 minutes. And friends, today, gap up opening seen by like SGX Nifty indicates gap up or gap down indicating those things, and this is like second, so gap down opening. From there also it went sharp low and taken yesterday support as support and keeps move higher side. So whenever a gap down opening and gives a sharp reversal, maximum it's a bullish trend. So keep a mind on this. So whenever a gap down opening and given a sharp move. About to opening level, that's the main important thing, and keep these opening level as our stop loss. So that's the major important thing, and see a continuous up movement and a continuous up movement, a continuous 100 points fall. But here what you have to keep in mind is, while trading in Nifty, you are to keep a look on Reliance Industries and Infosys, TCS, HDFC Twins. These five shares are mandatory to observe. And next thing, while trading in Bank Nifty, all Bank Nifty heavyweight stocks, you have to keep a look on them. So those are the major things. And next thing, global futures. So global futures already we know, like investing.com will give you a clear picture on global futures. So things we don't know will represent in that global futures. So if global futures moves heavily, so we can expect a huge positive move in US markets, in other global markets. So our markets also will move higher. So that is what happened today on noon session of weekly expiry. So if you see last 2 days, so on noon sessions, market continuously fell. See here. So after 12 o'clock onwards, continuously fell. So previous day also, see after 2 o'clock, a sharp fall. But today, what happens means US futures and Dow futures, that means European, opening little cool and move higher side. So from noon sessions, so after 12:30 onwards, if you see a little consolidation and given a sharp higher side move, so it came near to 16,630 levels, which is a cool closing above to all bearish trades trend lines above. That means, so the 16,400 is one of the bearish line which we taken. So above that means which is a good one, right? So and we are going to see a day candle. uh, so if you see 3 months chart on this, so wait a minute, and if you take this, so 3 minutes, so day candles, if you observe here, so this is going to be a bigger picture for day candle. So a continuous fall after retracement, it's a continuous 16,400 to 15,700. So this is one of the range which Nifty moved for a month, and next in June series it went up, and if you observe here, so 16,700. So this line, so this level is very important in coming sessions. So this level, so multiple times rejection happened at this level. So 16,700. So 16,700 on and closing basis of half an hour, which is very important. And the next thing is, while you entering into trade, you have to know what are the X factors for the day on bull side and bear side. Today, more X factors on bull side. Why? Because Nomura and yesterday's Infosys con call given good guidance on IT having still a good demand in coming days. And the next one is like Reliance Industries, which is holding Nifty heavyweight. So as government given like there is no windfall taxes on these oil refining companies like UK and other countries, they given some tax, windfall tax, but our country finance minister said that there is no tax on these companies. The unexpected gains which the company is getting from higher crude oil refining prices, so that's what called a windfall tax. So that is not going to be there. So due to that, Reliance Industries move higher. So on today's rally, major 75% of the contribution came from Reliance only to Nifty 50. So that's why Nifty 50 move higher today in trading sessions. So this is the total view. And tomorrow, if on a closing basis, like opening itself, if it opens above to 16,700, so with half an hour, if it sustains above, we can go long from there. So if it came back again, that means 15 minutes below to that 16,700 level, we can expect a sideways to downside move. So we can expect like flat opening means like that. That means 16,700 above and 16,700, so near, so on closing basis itself, right? If it opens lower side, it has to break yesterday's low or today's low. So even both are same, then only we go on bearish side. So this is my view on Nifty 50 for tomorrow's trade, and what are the things you have to observe while doing trades. Thank you.